She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey everyone, it is Angel. Welcome back to Tame That Mane Monday, and today we're going to be doing a hair mask, a honey hair mask that was inspired from beautyklove. Now, you are going to need a bowl, an applicator bottle, of course the honey, and some oil. Now, she used sesame oil. I did not have sesame oil laying around, so I just used my sweet almond oil. And let me say, this stuff was kind of hard to mix in the beginning. My honey looked like it had gotten crystallized somehow, so it was not mixing. It wasn't coming out right. It was the only one that I had. So that was organic. I really like to use organic honey in my hair. So it was coming out really, really crystallized and chunky. So it was kind of hard to get out of the bottle. And mixing, as you can see, was just not breaking up. So it did end up getting a bowl full of steamed water and just kind of steamed it to kind of help it melt, and then I put it into the bottle. So that's how I made it. It was super simple. This is not going all over my hair. It's just for my scalp because my scalp is flaky and itchy again, and I have used honey in the past. It's just sticky, so I don't like to use it, but I did try it, and being that it was actually like kind of crystallized and like it kind of made like a scrubby consistency, so it actually like kind of scrubbed really well. And when I did the scalp massage, it really did disperse and it felt really good when I did the massage. So I did that from one side to the other, just doing it on my scalp, and then I gave myself a good scalp massage, of course, like always, front and back. Sorry about my lighting, you guys. I don't know what's going on with my lamp. I don't know how to fix the glare. So once I got it nice and massaged, I made sure that it's in every spot, especially the crown, because it's always the worst on the crown. I'm going to go ahead and put my hair back up into a bun with a clippy and cap it, because this is what she did, and she let it sit for about 30 minutes, I believe. This is when she was doing it on her sister, but she said, I believe she let it sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, time is up, and then I'm going to go in with this ACV rinse. This is what she did, and she poured ACV all over her hair and then let it sit instead of rinsing it, and she capped it again and let it sit for a little longer. I can't remember if it was 15 or 30 minutes, so I just did 15, and voila. I think the results came out really good. My hair was kind of staticky. The only thing was my hair was kind of staticky, my ends. So it did clear up my scalp. My scalp felt really good, really clean and refreshed, but not dry. And lately when I've been washing my hair and I've been doing the oil massage, it's still been coming out dry. So this was nice that it didn't come out, my scalp didn't come out dry and like dry flaky instead of being like greasy and itchy flaky. So but the bottom of my hair was kind of staticky, but still looked really shiny. So the results were good. I just we'll see how the next wash turns out. Usually the second wash when doing an oil treatment on my scalp looks even better than the first time. So hope you all liked this video. My hair came out clean and shiny, and my makeup was bomb, so this video looked cute. Thanks for watching. This Angel. Until we meet again, we'll see you next time. Bye.